And for those of you that are Animal Crossing fans, it was hard to make something as grand as Dinosaur Hall inside, so I was forced to try to make it outside using some panels. As we come by the desk and enter Dinosaur Hall, we're greeted by our T-Rex and a variety of other exhibits. You can see over here is the nest, a bunch of dinosaurs here. Make our way back. You can be virtually in our time machine. You can even come back here to our Paleo Lab and see what kind of dinosaurs they're digging up. And that is Dinosaur Hall at the Academy of Natural Sciences. For those of you who'd like a little bit more of a behind-the-scenes tour on Members Week, my daughter created this beautiful Academy of Natural Sciences IT department representation where her daddy sits, and Rocky and Ben, our system admin and technician, and a place for our servers, and a place where she likes to sit when she comes to spend her day with Dad.